Oh, my bad, man. Chill.
Sneeze on me, bro?
My bad, punk ass. You alright? Bro, chill out, bro. Chill out. What you gonna do, clown? Excuse me, man. Shit. My bad, man. I just.
It's a camera around you to sneeze.
No, man.
That shit on my back.
My bad, man. I just sneeze. You alright, man? Come on, get it fine. Excuse me, man. It was a joke.
No, you must have some sprayers.
Yeah, look. Listen, water is water.
Bro, because why the fuck that shit came in on me like that?
Nah, I just. My bad, punk ass. You alright? My bad, bro. I sneeze.
Yeah, you good?
Yeah, my bad, bro.
Yeah.
You alright, clown?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Yeah, you good. My bad.
Did you just fucking sneeze on me, bitch?
Bitch, you got me a B word?
Yes, did you fucking just sneeze on me? That shit not funny. Did you just sneeze on me?
It don't matter.
No, it don't matter.
I got the flu. It don't.
I don't get, you don't come to no store with no flu.
My bad, man.
No, what you don't sneeze on nobody, that's nasty.
You alright, clown?
What?
You alright, clown?
Is you alright?
Yeah.
Is you alright, bitch?
Alright.
That's crazy, bro.
Shit. My bad, bro.
Bro, you did that on purpose.
No, I didn't, clown. You alright, punk ass? Oh, shit. She even swing. Shit.
Yeah, why y'all still with me, bro?
Oh, shit.
I did that because I've been seeing stuff
I
on
said, oh,
YouTube,
shit. Oh, chill. Oh my God. Look. Oh, chill. Look. It's a joke. Please, chill. Look, chill.
What's going on?
God damn. Shit. Shit. My bad, bro. I sneezed on you. My bad, bro.
What's wrong with you, man?
You alright, clown? You alright,
You
clown?
need to put some socks
You alright,
on.
punk ass? You alright, punk ass?
We did this in skit.
Yeah, man, yeah. Damn, man. Damn, why you leave? I tried to prank you. Fuck. Basically, like, I was gonna sneeze on you, but dang, you walked away quick. Fuck. Damn. Hey, get that black dude right here. Get that black dude. Go straight. Here, get him. Shit, bro. My bad, bro. You alright?
That's how you roll?
You alright, punk ass?
That's how you roll.
You alright, punk ass?
What you told me, my nigga?
You alright, punk ass?
My nigga, if you sneeze on me,
My bad, bro.
I'm gonna find out what that shit all about,
My
bro.
bad, clown.
What?
My bad, clown. You alright? Shit, I had to sneeze, bro.
What?
I had to sneeze, bro.
I can't do that shit again. You don't see.
Excuse me, bro. Shit. My bad, bro. I shouldn't have. My bad, bro.
I'm going to the same.
My bad, shit, bro. Did it hurt, bro?
Huh?
Did I touch your neck or something, clown?
What?
Did I hit your neck, clown? Nah, this. Okay. Shit. Oh, my bad, man. Oh, my bad. Oh,
Ah,
my bad.
she
Oh,
throwing.
shit. Oh, shit. No, I didn't. It was an accident, man.
Don't spit, fuck that shit. Don't
It was
spit
an
on
accident,
your
man.
head. Don't let this shirt fool you, boo.
It was an accident, man.
I'ma accident your ass.
Man, that's assault. You hit me. That's an accident. You know that, right? That's assault. You hit me.
You spit on me. You could have.
No, I didn't.
I don't know what the fuck you got.
But it's an accident, though. You hit me, man. You gonna hit me, man?
That way. You came this way. Fuck you.
Man, you can hit me like that. I don't call the police on your ass, man. Hell, yeah, I'm calling law on that ass, bro. It's in my nose, bro. Black girl hit my nose. This shit, bro. What the fuck? Shit. My bad. I'm sorry. My bad, sir. You all right?
No, you're fine. Oh, no, you're good.
You all right, clown?
Yeah, good.
Okay. I'm sorry. You sure, punk ass?
I'm sorry?
You sure, punk ass? You all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Shit.
He said, nigga, you sneezing on me? What you doing?
Bro, chill, bro. Chill.
What you
chill.
doing? You sneezing on me? What's going on?
Bro, your ass sound like you about to cry, bro.
Bro, what's going on, bro? You sneezing on me? What's up? What is this, bro? Is this a game or something? What's going on?
Why he sound like that?
It's a joke. It's a joke.
No,
It's a joke.
man.
My bad, clown. You all right, clown?
You just sneezed on me, dog?
You all right, punk ass?
Punk ass.
Yes, punk ass. You all right, bro? You, bro.
Me.
Yes, bro.
Boy, you don't even know me, boy.
Bro, what you gonna do, bro? What you gonna do, bro?
Fuck you just sneezed on me, bro.
What you gonna do, bro?
Who?
Chill.
But I got the flu, bro.
What you want to do? I don't
Chill.
give a damn about
Chill,
none of that
chill,
sneezing and shit, bro.
chill.
Bro,
I don't care about none of that
Bro.
sneezing and shit, bro.
Bro, it's a joke, punk
I
ass.
don't give a fuck, nigga. It's too much shit going on. You sneezing on me, fam.
Chill.
What's wrong with you?
Bro, let him go.
Fuck that shit, bro. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. Nigga just sneeze on me.
Bro, you mad cause I...
Just going on about your business, dog.
But you got a flu, bro?
Just going on about...
Bro,
I
get
give
your...
a damn about the damn flu. Nigga don't sneeze on me, bro.
What you gonna do, clown?
Chill. You need to go on.
What you wanna do?
Don't know.
What you wanna do?
Don't know.
What you wanna do?
Bro, bro, it's a joke, bro. Excuse me, bro.
If he really wanted to go over there, he could have went over there.
Shit, bro.
Why the fuck you do that, man?
My bad, bro. You alright, bro? You alright, clown? You said what, bro? I had to sneeze, bro. My bad, bro. You said what, punk ass? Bro, I'm serious, bro. I just sneezed. My fault, bro. All right, bro. Excuse me, sir. It was a joke. It was just, it was just, it was just about it.
I know it was because of stuff he kept saying, man. I know it was. I'm like, all right, he courting because he set me up. I'm like, all right, just go, man. Bro, what the fuck your problem is?
My bad, clown. You all right?
Dog, you just sneeze on my neck?
Hell yeah, bro. You all right, punk ass?
You say what?
I said, you all right, punk ass?
You say what?
I said, you all right, punk
You
ass?
say what?
You all right, punk
You
ass?
say what?
Bro, chill.
You just sneeze on my neck.
Bro, it don't matter, bro. Bro, chill, bro. Chill. Look, chill, bro, chill. God damn. You too damn buff for that shit, man. What the hell? Damn, I'm trying to prank you. Fuck, bro, why you move? Damn. I'm trying to get you, damn. Nah, I try to sneeze on you like, chill. But you move. Fuck. Excuse me, bro.
Oh, no, you good, bro.
Oh, my bad. I'll try to get past you. My bad, man. Shit. Shit, bro.
Oh, no, you good.
Damn, I keep moving, bro.
What's up,
I
bro?
try to prank your ass, man.
Nah,
You keep on moving, man.
I felt this shit.
Shit.
Bro, what the fuck you got going on, man?
You alright, punk ass?
Damn, my nigga, you just gonna spill my
Well, chill.
Okay.